As we were speaking about it earlier, as per the order of the High Court, all the documents pertaining to the alleged financial irregularities in RG Kaur Medical College have now been handed over to the team of CBI by the Special Investigation Team at Nizam Palace today in the morning. CNN News 18's editor is Kamalika Sengupta is back with us on the broadcast to bring us all the latest developments in this case. Kamalika, over to you. Please walk us through more details.
Yes, as per Calcutta High Court order, Calcutta High Court gave an order that the alleged financial irregularities, that case will also go to CBI. Now, there was a seat that was formed by the West Bengal government to look after the financial irregularities of RG Kaur, and this seat was formed just a day before the Supreme Court hearing. So now the court directed that all the documents or whatever the seat has collected in these few days regarding this matter, that has to be handed over to the CBI. And as per our sources in the seat say, that today in the morning in Nizam Palace, which is CBI office, there already the seat, they have handed over the documents and whatever they had information regarding this alleged financial irregularities, that has been handed over to CBI. Now CBI, the rape and brutal murder case, it was investigated by the CBI. Now the alleged financial irregularities, and we know that Akhtar Ali, the former deputy super, he complained it in the court and he appealed in the court so that this investigation is taken over by the central agencies, because the state agency where he went earlier, and also he wrote several letters that he claims to the health department, had that there was nothing on that. So he went to the court and court has finally given a CBI order. So in both of these cases now the investigation will be done by CBI.